Hello friends, I Dhanesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Delhi Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to cook Bengan ka bharta at home. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive my all latest video and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So now let's begin the process of making Bengan ka bharta. Let's begin now. How to cook Bengan ka bharta at home. Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to make Bengan ka bharta or brinjal bharta. So to make Bengan ka bharta, first you have to keep a wok or kadai on the gas stove and just fill water in it and wait till water get boil, and after that just put the brinjal into the wok in which we have already filled water. You can keep the whole brinjal into the water, or you can cut it in 4 pieces, and after that you can put it into the water and again cover the lid by using a steel plate. So now after 5 minutes it is time to check the brinjal. So by using a glass, just uncover the plate. So now you can see the brinjal has cooked completely. We have just put water in it, and after that we have added this cut brinjal. So now the brinjals are ready. It is time to take out from the hot water. Just switch off the gas and just take it out one by one, all the brinjals. So it's very simple process. Just we have kept it for more than 5 to 10 minutes. So now you can see the brinjal has cooked completely. So the next step, you need to take out the skin of the brinjal, like how we are taking out in this video. This is a very important step. Just take out all the skin of brinjal. So very easy process. Just take out bengan skin just out and throw it away. This skin is not required while making bengan bharta. Meanwhile, you need to keep ready these veggies for frying our brinjal. So what are all these? This is a tomato, this is onion, this is garlic, and this is green chili. So we have cut all these veggies like tomato into chopped pieces, and this is garlic in chopped, this is green chili, just cut it into small pieces, and these are the onions into chopped. So just keep ready all these veggies. Next step, just keep the wok on the gas and just add oil in it, just little bit of oil, because we are just going to fry our brinjal. Now just keep ready all these ingredients. The left hand side you can see all the chopped veggies, and the right hand side you can see all these regular masalas. We are going to use these while we are going to fry our brinjal. So first we are going to put mustard into the hot oil and wait till the mustard get crackle. You can listen the crackle sound. And next you need to add garlic. Just add little garlic into it, whatever garlic you have chopped, and just by using a turner just give it a mix. Next add green chili, then give it a mix, and finally add chopped onion, and then again give it a mix. So once the onion get completely cooked, it is time to add tomato in it. So now finally we are adding tomato, chopped tomato we are adding into the masala. And now once you add the tomato, just add coriander powder, add turmeric powder, green red chili powder, and finally salt in it. Just add all these ingredients, and after that by using a turner give it a mix. Just stir it by using a turner till the tomato get pulpy and mix with all other ingredients. The final result you will get like this, what you are seeing in this video. So once you will get this result, this is time to add brinjal in it. Just add all the brinjals which we have boiled and the brinjals, we have removed the skin of this brinjal. Now once you add brinjal in it, just by using turner, just mix all the things properly and just mash all the things by using a turner, how we are doing in this video. Remember, we are preparing Bengan Bharta. So just mash it with other masala, and after 2 to 3 minutes you will get this result. So once you're done with the mashing, the next step is cover the lid of the wok and keep it for next 4 to 5 minutes. So now this is time to finally check our brinjal Bengan ka bharta. So just remove the lid and you can see our Bengan ka bharta is ready. Just give it a final stir by using a turner, and you can see the color and you can smell it. It is looking nice, fresh and so tasty. So Bengan ka bharta is ready. So now just turn off the gas and your Bengan ka bharta is ready to serve. Let's have a closer view. So finally our Bengan ka bharta is ready. I hope you have learned in this video how to cook Bengan ka bharta. Please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.